Today I will show you how to create this stylish text effect. Create Fusion composition, place it on the timeline and switch to Fusion. Add background node and connect it to media out. Add text node. Enter your text and adjust font and size. Right-click inside the text input field and select Follower. Go to the Modifiers tab. Set Delay to 2. Set Order to Random but 1 by 1. Go to the Shading tab. Softness section. Add keyframes to X and Y parameter and set the desired blur. Move 30 frames forward and reduce X and Y to 0. Go back to the begin and add keyframe to glow parameter. Move 20 frames forward and increase the value to your like. At frame 30 return to 0. Return to beginning again. Set opacity to 0 and add keyframe. At frame 15 increase value to 1. Go to the Merge node and animate the size parameter to add dynamic motion to the text. Now create Fade Out effect. Move to frame 80. Add keyframes to opacity and the X and Y parameter in the softness section. Move 30 frames forward to reduce opacity to 0 and set the desired blur amount. Done. To learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget subscribe to the channel.